So I am making an order for these initial wine glasses that I have on my website. They are one of my top sellers. People love them. So the initial you can see is in like a silver. You can pick between that and black. And then I have different colors for the names. So right now I'm getting the initial on. And I start in the middle of the letter and get that stuck straight down, top to bottom. And then I start spreading out to the left and to the right so that I can get the letter on and it looks okay. And it doesn't bunch up in like some weird place. And then the name is centered straight across the initial. And this person, she ordered, I think it was 8 glasses, and they're all the same. So all the initials are the silver color and all the names are in pink. And then the name went on. So this is just how I do this. It's all done with my Cricut permanent vinyl, so it stays on that glass. You just have to hand wash the glasses. You can't put them in the dishwasher, and that will be apparent here at the end, because I do add something else to these glasses, which I did not video that part because I totally forgot. But right now, this is just me putting the names on with the initials and getting everything set up that way. And then I will go to the next step, which I totally forgot to record. But these are a bestseller for me. They're very popular. I get a lot of orders for these. I get a lot of questions about these. These seem to be something that everyone likes. They make like a really cute gift. You know, especially for like a best friend or girlfriend, a housewarming. You could even do them for your bridal party. So if you wanted to do them for your bridal party, I definitely can make the colors match your colors of your wedding. And that would be a fun gift. I've actually had a couple brides reach out and do these for their bridal party, just because it's such a cute gift. And it's something that you can use after the wedding. It's something you'd use all the time. That name gave me a little problem, but I did get it on there. Sometimes with the vinyl, you have to just be really careful and kind of go slow. When I rush, that's usually when I make the most mistakes with the vinyl. And you really got to make sure you are where you want to be when you touch that vinyl down, because a lot of times it wants to stick almost right away to anything. So I do make sure that that's where I want my image to go, and then press it down and kind of work it from the middle to the sides, and then work around each letter so I can pull the transfer tape off. And sometimes the vinyl still wants to stick to it. Not all the time, but sometimes. And then here, they all get the fur on the bottom that matches the name. So they have a name across there, and then they have fur. The fur at the bottom matches the name. But this is how they came out. I really hope that everybody liked them. I think they came out really cute. They're adorable. And I offer many different colors for the fur and the name as well.